want you to see is that the tissue is a little different. This right here, this is known as the cortex of the kidney. And then you can see there's a real difference between here and here, right? This is known as the medulla, right here. And then once again you get into another area, and this is the pelvis right here. The medulla is made up of these renal pyramids, and the renal pyramids are where the urine gets concentrated. The filtering is happening out here, so the blood is going to be coming all the way out to the cortex. It gets filtered, and then it gets concentrated here, and then it gets dumped into the pelvis, and the pelvis dumps into the urine. That's the basic pathway through the kidney. Okay? So you need to know 4 things. Cortex, renal pyramid, this whole thing is a renal medulla, pelvis. Okay? That's inside the kidney. Then you've got to know the ureter. The ureter's going to be right there.
Yellow part is what again?
This is renal pyramids.
Pyramids.
Yeah, they actually are kind of a pyramid in shape. It's hard to tell when you're looking at a 2D version.
That's where the urine gets concentrated.
Right.
What is a medulla? Because I've heard it in different parts of the body too. Like the hair has it.
Medulla tends to be the internal region. Okay, so cortex is always means to the outer region. The medulla is the internal one. So you will hear medulla when you talk about adrenal glands. Adrenal glands have a cortex, and they have a medulla as well. Medulla oblongata is kind of a different thing. It's a brain stem, and it's not exactly surrounded by stuff, which is where we're going to go next. So let me go get a brain